Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Zoho CRM to Mailchimp in 2024. Of course, integrating Zoho CRM with Mailchimp allows you to streamline your email marketing campaigns by automatically syncing your CRM data. So today, we'll walk you through the step-by-step guide to set up this connection or to establish it. So make sure to stick by and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, you'll need to go and open both your Zoho CRM and Mailchimp. So just go to the URL section, type mailchimp.com, open a new tab and type zoho.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll be taken to their home screen or main screen of both Zoho and Mailchimp. Make sure to log in into your account in both if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, you can simply just go and create an account right away, very free and very easy. So, as example, Mailchimp here, I can just log in into my account and like this, keep me login, click on login right here. And the same, of course, will be for Zoho here. As you can see, I'm already logged in. For you, you can simply find the sign in option there as example. So I'll just show you. And yeah, here is it as example. And if you don't have an account, of course, you can simply just go and create an account. And as you can see, you can use a lot of options to create and even log in into your account. If you don't have to, if you have one of those accounts, so you don't have to go and enter all those informations in, which is boring, as example, filling up all the information all over again. So for me here, I'll just go and click on CRM so I can access, not get started. So I can access, of course, like Zoho CRM. Yeah, let's change it right now. And yeah, as you can see, I'm on my Zoho CRM, and the same will be here for Mailchimp. So normally, while trying to integrate Zoho CRM with your Mailchimp account, you would like to have a Zoho CRM and Mailchimp accounts prepared. Of course, let's just check if we can make a direct connection first of all between the two of them, like between these. So you can go just to Mailchimp and go scroll to this list panel as example. Click on this integration, and here, all we need to do is just look for Zoho CRM. And as you can see, it's right here. So this will let you follow up on your leads with ease. Zoho CRM syncs leads, contacts, and campaigns. And you have this one example that will begin in a CRM build for small business with integration. You can easily sync your Pigeon contacts with Mailchimp. Okay, so that's not what we want. We want this one as example. So all you need to do just go and click on it. As you can see, follow up on your heads with ease as example. So you can simply sync everything. As you can see here how you'll be able to sync it and etc. The settings and etc. So all I need to do here, as you can see, the free is or the cost is free, so you don't have to worry about any costs or additional fees. All I need to do now is just go and click on learn more. And as you can see, this right away took me into the marketplace or extension marketplace of Zoho CRM. And of course, from here, I'll be able to install the Mailchimp extension for Zoho CRM. As you can see, this app at the moment is not supported for my edition, so I'll not be able to start buying it now, or to start my free trial or buy it now anyway. But of course, what can you do as an example if that's your case as well? It's not supported for your edition. Of course, what does that mean? That means you are just on the free plan, so you'll need to go and upgrade your plan, of course, so you can access that as example. So let me just go here and show you. So it's going to be loading. So at least you'll need to have like this standard plan, of course. You can add even some add-ons if you want to. It's actually up to you as example. So you can here see all the features and add-ons that comes with it. Of course, you can simply just add extensions if you have this standard. Of course, not all the extensions. Some extensions will be totally free, as example. So it's up to you as example. So maybe let's just go and look for this one. So as example, yeah, this one you can install for free as example. This one will need to buy. This one you can install for free and etc. So what can you do? Of course, if you're using just Zoho CRM for free, you can use a third up party tool. Even if you can download this, I would even like tell you to use the third party tool. Why? But it's because it will let you establish the connection between Mailchimp and Zoho CRM, and also make automation between the two of them. So if something happens here, something should happen in the other account. So if I receive something in Mailchimp, something maybe should happen in Zoho and etc. You can automate a lot of stuff, and you can auto unlimited stuff for free. This tool, of course, called Zapier. So open new tab, go to zapier.com. Make sure to log in into an account if you have one. If you don't, go and create a new account. As an example, you can use Google for that and other options. You can go and check it out if it's your first time. Then go, once you're logged in, go to this left panel, click on apps, and here you'll have to connect both to your Zoho CRM. So just go here and look for Zoho CRM. You'll need to go and connect into that, of course, connect into your account. Of course, you'll have to choose first of all the domain of your Zoho. Normally, how you'll find this domain, basically just go to your Zoho account, and as you can see, for me, I'll find here zoho.com. For you, if you have like zoho.com, .au, I don't know, .china or .cn, .india as example, .japan, whatever it is, you'll have just to enter here. So for me, I have .com, I'll enter .com. For you, as example, wherever you live, you'll have to enter like the URL that you'll find here. So for me, it's .com. I'll just go and click on yes, continue. And as you can see, because I'm already logged in here, so I'll not have to log in. All I need to do is just give access to all of that. If I agree to it, click on accept, and I should be logged in into my account. For me, I'm already logged in, so I'm not going to do it. The same will be for Mailchimp as example. So just go and type Mailchimp, and as you can see, you'll find this here. Click again on connect. And as you can see here, you'll have to enter your username and password. And for me, no, not the account. Yeah, this account. And click here on login, and I should be logged in right away. So as you can see, you'll have to allow these things in here, like it will authorize some apps. Be sure that you want to share data and etc. So just go and click on allow. Of course, you can read this all by your own. It's totally up to you. So once it's authorized, example, it will establish a connection because for Mailchimp it was not connected for me yet. So as you can see, now it's connected. Once both connected, we can just go to this list panel, click on create in here, and click on Zaps. Now it's time to establish the connection between the two of them, and also not just connect them, but also, as we said, uh, automate a lot of stuff in here. So first of all, you can start choosing the trigger and action by your own. If you don't want to, you can simply just use this AI tool. You can simply type when I receive like a new contact, maybe in a Mailchimp, something should happen in Zoho. I don't know what specifically do you want. So for me, I'll just go here and type like connect Zoho, so Zoho CRM with Mailchimp, as simple as that, and I'll let him do something random in here. So as an example, as you can see, it's creating something here for me. So I'll just go here and click on add all the steps or all the zaps. And as you can see, it's already added here. So now what I will have to do is simply solve those issues in here. Once I click on it, as you can see, so this has an issue in trigger. I'll have to choose the module as example. So of course that will change depending on the event that you choose here. So as example, the connection that's created by AI. So when I receive a new model entry, of course I can change it. Maybe I want to get a new contact, maybe a lot of other stuff. Something should happen. So for me here, I'll just go and do leads or contacts or something like that. Then click on continue. Then I'll have, of course, to test the trigger. Once it's tested and it's working, you'll find a check option. The same, of course, you'll have to do it. So yeah, a check option, as you can see. The same we'll have to do is for Mailchimp. As an example, you choose an account. So depending on the event that you choose here, as an example, we choose an add an update subscriber. Maybe you can just choose add a note to subscriber or something like that. You'll have to enter whatever requires, example, audience, etc. Go to next. Once you fill up all those information, test it. If everything is working, you can publish it. Once it's published, you automate the stuff that you put here. You'll get used to it with time, so don't worry if you get confused at the moment. And yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.